In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Hootsuite. Creating your account, posting, scheduling, and managing your social media. First, create or log in to your Hootsuite account. Head to the Hootsuite website and choose to sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. If you're signing up, follow the prompts to confirm your email and pick a plan or trial. For a smooth start, make sure you can access the inbox of the email you use and set a strong password. If you see an option for added security, turning that on is a smart idea. Next, connect your social media account so Hootsuite can publish on your behalf. Look for the option to add social networks, then select the platforms you use, like Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Hootsuite will ask for permissions from each network. Approve these so scheduling and publishing work reliably. Double check you're connecting the right profiles or pages. And if a network has special requirements like a business profile, switch that on before you proceed. Now open the Composer to create your first post. You'll usually find a new post or Composer button at the top. Select the social profiles you want to publish to. Each network can have unique formatting rules, so choosing them first helps you preview exactly how your post will look. Add your content. Type your text, then attach images or videos if you have them. Keep captions clear and on brand, and consider adding alt text to images when available for accessibility. Include relevant hashtags, but tailor the number to the platform. Paste your links, and if Hootsuite offers a link shortener, use it to keep things tidy and trackable. Check the previews for each network and fine-tune text so it fits character limits and best practices. Decide whether to publish now or schedule for later. If it's time sensitive, hit publish. Otherwise, choose schedule and pick the date, time, and time zone that match your audience's habits. Consistency is key, so consider spacing posts across the week. Before you confirm, review your selections and make sure the right profiles are checked. To manage everything going forward, use Planner, Streams, and Analytics. Planner gives you a calendar view to see scheduled content, drag and drop to reschedule, and quickly edit posts. Streams let you monitor feeds, mentions, keywords, and messages in one place so you can engage without switching apps. Analytics tracks performance, impressions, clicks, engagement, and helps you learn what works so you can refine future posts. That's it. You've set up Hootsuite, published or scheduled your first post, and learned the core tools to manage your social media with confidence.